Hi, I'm Aaron with MachiningNerd.com and welcome to the very first Machining Nerd Manufacturing News. It's going to be a bi-weekly take on what's new and exciting in machining today. Let's get started. The first item today is a new partnership between Microsoft and Sandvik Coromant. Sandvik has been chasing IoT technology and cutting tools for a long time, and they're claiming that this new partnership will provide shops with a fully digital tool to help make process decisions and preventative maintenance decisions. I'm looking forward to see what comes out of this partnership. From digital to analog, Industrial Press has released the 31st edition of the Machinery Handbook, our machinist Bible, and a way to tell how old everyone is around your shop. I haven't had a look at the updated edition, however industrialpress.com has a list of updated information, including additive manufacturing, new materials, a reorganized mathematics section, and additions and updates to many references. It's offered in both the popular Toolbox edition, large print format, and digital edition. The global pandemic is causing some interesting times for manufacturers. Gardner Business Media, longtime publisher of Modern Machine Shop magazine, has been releasing data on its effects. Capacity utilization has dropped below 70% for the first time since June 2010, and the production index has dropped below 100 for the first time since July 2016. I know shops here in Canada are being hit hard by the oil price war and the low Canadian dollar. Hopefully soon, things can return to normal and manufacturing will rebound. Check out Gardner's economic blog for more data and insights on the situation. Also pandemic related, I'm seeing a lot of talk about reshoring in manufacturing. Peter Zelinski wrote a great article on Modern Machine Shop Online about what he thinks is going to happen in North America and what the future may hold for manufacturers. He points out that during these extreme times, manufacturing is saving lives. This article is worth a read. Check out the link below. Our last topic, we're all wondering what's going to happen to IMTS in September. The International Manufacturing Technology Show is one of the largest machining trade shows in North America and our biggest nerd fest. So far, the official update is that they're concerned about the health crisis. However, because they think 2020 is going to be the start of a major revitalization for manufacturing, they're committed to opening as scheduled in September. McCormick Place, that hosts IMTS, has converted several exhibit halls into a temporary hospital for patients. Hopefully things are getting back to normal by then and the show will go on as planned. This year's theme is digital manufacturing, and they've promised to focus more on the digitization of the manufacturing industry. It's a great show, and I recommend the trip to any machining nerd or manufacturing leader. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel to stay updated. Thank you for watching. I hope you found our content interesting and informative. We'll be back in 2 weeks with another update. We're publishing it. I don't give a shit if it sucks.
That's what it is.